right, let's fucking go. 9:49. We're gonna speedrun this shit. You're right here. The source code is right here. Okay, in the bomb area function section, inside of unit test main, emit from center, laser blast, and here's the input blast instruct, I for input blast in. We have some more variables declared in this whatever section. We have a monkey wrench macro because we're not gonna call it M for magnitude. We're gonna do L for length. You can pause here to read these. It's blast multiplier length X and Y, and then blast tile X and Y. That's what these all stand for, right? B is for blast. Let's go down further. Okay, down further, get blast multiplier. Okay, so if the laser box type, of which there are 4, is right, then we're going to go to the right with our multiplier. If it's bottom, then we're going to go down with our multiplier. Left, we're going to go left with our multiplier. And then towards the top, well, we're going to go negative Y because negative Y is up screen, right? Okay, how big is your laser? So we only blast in one direction. So if we take all the arms of our explosion and add them together, we will get the length of our blast because all of these values, except for only one, will be non-zero. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, let jump off. We're going to go from 1 to however long the laser blast is for this jump off variable, and we're going to loop through it and find all the affected tiles. So bomb tile X and Y is the origin of our blast from our input struct, member minisim XY, right? So the origin of where the blast is being detonated from, and then the jump off amount times blast multiplier X, and that's not a fucking Y. Let's put a Y there. Okay, we fixed the bug. Yay, we found a bug, we fixed it. Okay, so if the blast is out of bounds, so if the blast is out of bounds of our 16 by 16 tile map, we're going to continue. We're going to skip. Once out of bounds, always out of bounds. Now, if we are within bounds, we're going to use our little mini putter, our like tile setter for the mini 16 by 16 tile map. This is a helper function. We're going to set a tile, a blast tile, at bomb tile X, bomb tile Y. Otherwise, we're going to throw an error because we should either be out of bounds or we should be in bounds. And then once we've looped through everything, we've generated our explosion on our mini tile map, and we're fucking done with this function. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because we ain't got no fucking time here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and fucking subscribe.